They say heartbreak breaks everyone the same. That pain doesn't care who you are, how strong you look, or how much you've achieved. But that's a lie. A high-value man doesn't just feel heartbreak, he faces it. He doesn't drown in it, he uses it. When love leaves, when she walks away, when silence replaces laughter, that's when a man meets the version of himself he was always meant to become. It starts with that empty space. You know the one. The stillness after the storm, where her voice used to echo and your heart feels heavier than your chest can carry. Most men panic in that space. They chase, they text, they beg. They try to fill the void with noise. But the high-value man, he sits in it. He lets that silence teach him. He looks in the mirror and doesn't ask, "Why did she leave?" He asks, "What did I ignore? What part of me got too comfortable? What part of me stopped growing?" Heartbreak for him isn't the end. It's a message, a brutal one. It says, you forgot who you were. You built too much around someone else, and that realization stings more than the breakup itself. But that's where transformation begins. He doesn't post quotes about being done with love. He doesn't jump into someone new to numb himself. He builds, he rewires, he locks in on purpose. He doesn't drink away the ache. He sweats it out in the gym. He doesn't stalk her social media. He stalks his potential. Every rep, every page, every early morning becomes his silent comeback. A high-value man doesn't hide from heartbreak. He wrestles with it until it reveals its lesson. He understands that pain is not punishment, it's a teacher. And only men willing to sit with pain long enough ever graduate into strength. When his heart breaks, he doesn't crumble, he recalibrates. He starts noticing how his emotions move, how his thoughts shift, how his energy drops when he gives it to the wrong people. He learns to control it. Because high-value men know that emotional control is the foundation of power, he remembers who he was before the relationship. That man who had goals, dreams, drive, the one who didn't need validation to move forward. He brings that man back, sharper, wiser, colder where he needs to be, but warmer to his mission. Heartbreak becomes fuel. See, average men see heartbreak as betrayal. High-value men see it as a reset. They don't beg for closure because they are the closure. They don't seek revenge because they understand. The best revenge is evolution. The more you level up, the smaller the loss looks in the rearview mirror. He stops talking about what he lost and starts building what's next. His focus becomes the gym, his craft, his business, his purpose. Every time pain knocks on the door, he answers with discipline. He doesn't avoid the wound, he outgrows it. Because when a man transforms himself after heartbreak, the pain doesn't own him anymore, he owns it. When he walks past the mirror, he doesn't see a broken heart, he sees fire, he sees the man who rose from it. And that's what separates the weak from the strong. Not that he didn't get hurt, but that he didn't stay hurt. He doesn't gossip about his ex. He doesn't compete for sympathy. He lets his silence speak louder than any rant ever could. His energy shifts from asking why her to saying thank you for showing me what I won't accept again. Because he knows heartbreak isn't about losing someone else. It's about finding yourself again. When you're high value, you learn the art of detachment. You realize you can care deeply without losing your balance. You can love without giving away your core. The moment someone leaves, you don't collapse. You recenter. You remember that your peace was never supposed to depend on someone else's presence. He walks into the world differently. His posture changes, not in arrogance, but in awareness. He understands people come and go, but a man's mission must remain. He stops chasing affection and starts attracting respect. Because the most magnetic energy on earth is a man who's focused. People will see him and say, he's cold now. But he's not cold. He's clear. He knows that emotions are meant to be felt, not to run his life. He's not afraid to love again, but he'll never beg for it. He's not bitter. He's balanced. He doesn't close his heart. He strengthens his boundaries. You can tell a lot about a man by how he handles heartbreak. The average one will crumble. The wise one will change. The strong one, he will build. Pain exposes priorities. It shows you who you really are when everything comfortable is taken away. And that's why heartbreak is sacred. Because only when a man's heart cracks open does his soul get a chance to breathe. That's where wisdom walks in. That's where purpose becomes personal. That's where he finally understands. No one was sent to destroy him. They were sent to awaken him. He rebuilds his circle too. No drama, no pity parties, only growth. He surrounds himself with men who remind him of discipline, not destruction. Brothers who don't ask, "How's she doing?" but "How's your vision?" He understands brotherhood is fuel, not distraction. He takes his heartbreak personally, but not emotionally. He looks at it like a battlefield that tested his loyalty, his patience, his control. And he thanks it. Because without heartbreak, most men would never find their depth. Without that darkness, they'd never see their own light. A high-value man doesn't wait for someone new to heal him. He becomes so complete that love becomes a choice, not a need. He's not scared of being alone because solitude became his sanctuary. That's where he sharpens his mind, builds his body, and aligns his spirit. Alone time isn't loneliness, it's leadership training. He knows that when you can stand alone, you can stand anywhere. You become unshakable. Because the man who's faced heartbreak and still kept his dignity is the man the world cannot break again. In the end, he doesn't wish her back. He wishes her well. Because his heart is no longer seeking revenge, it's seeking peace. And peace, for a high-value man, is the new power. He understands that love isn't meant to complete him, it's meant to complement him. And when it doesn't, he walks away with grace. Not to prove a point, but because his self-respect doesn't negotiate. And when he finally meets someone new, he won't be desperate for love. He'll choose it. He'll give it, not because he's empty, but because he's full. That's the difference. A healed man doesn't chase validation. He creates connection. The world sees heartbreak as tragedy. He sees it as transformation. Because when a man learns to transmute pain into power, heartbreak becomes his origin story. The story of how he became dangerous, not in anger, but in discipline. Dangerous in focus, dangerous in peace. Dangerous because he can love and still walk away when it's not right. High-value men handle heartbreak like warriors of the soul. They feel it, they face it, they fix themselves. And when they rise quietly, without drama, without announcement, without a noise. Just new results, new energy, new standards. Every great man has a moment where love broke him, and that's the very moment that built him. The heartbreak was never a curse, it was construction. The pain wasn't punishment, it was permission. Permission to become someone greater. So if you're listening to this right now, standing in the middle of heartbreak, don't run from it. Don't numb it. Don't hate it. Stand in it. Let it hurt. Let it teach. Let it break the version of you that depended on someone else to feel complete. Because what's being built in you right now, that's unbreakable. This is how high-value men handle heartbreak. Not by hiding their pain, but by harnessing it. Not by seeking pity, but by seeking purpose. They bleed quietly, then build loudly. They take the hit, then turn it into history. They lose someone they love, but gain someone stronger, themselves. And that's the truth. Heartbreak doesn't make you weaker. It's the fire that forges your strength. The world will try to make you forget who you are, but heartbreak, when faced like a man, will remind you exactly who you're meant to be. So let them leave. Let the silence stay. Because out of that silence, a new voice will rise. Yours. Stronger, clearer, wiser. The voice of a man who doesn't just survive love. he masters it. Because high-value men don't just handle heartbreak. They evolve through it. They rebuild from it. They rise because of it. And when the world sees them again, it won't recognize them. Because that heartbreak, that storm, didn't destroy them. It defined them. When it's all said and done, heartbreak doesn't destroy a high-value man. It introduces him to himself. It strips away illusion and reveals truth. It burns away weakness and shapes the kind of strength that doesn't need validation. Because real men don't let pain define them. They let it refine them. They take the loss, the silence, the emptiness, and turn it into armor. They rise not to prove anyone wrong, but to prove themselves right. So if your heart is broken, don't hide it. Build from it. Stand tall in your pain and let it make you unstoppable. Because one day you'll look back at this heartbreak and realize it wasn't the end of your story. It was the beginning of your power.